Have you ever wondered why a simple thing like finding out how to move a video up your playlist on YouTube? I searched all over YouTube, drove me nuts. I must have spent an hour searching. Nothing. Finally, I figured it out, and you know, when I figure stuff out, I share it with you guys. So it's a few simple, easy steps. I'm gonna show you picture by picture how to do it. I think it's like 5 little steps, and you can easily move your new video up to the top of a playlist that you tell YouTube you want to share it on. Here we go. Step number 1, real easy. Go to your YouTube channel and see where it says sign in on the top right. You do this every day, right? So you sign in, and then that'll bring you to the next page. Okay, so once you're in your channel, I've highlighted what to click on. Click on Manage Videos in big blue. Do not click on Playlists. That's what I wasted a half an hour doing in the first place. So go up and click on Manage Videos. Here's the next one. Okay, so once you're in your channel, you can see that on the top left, mine is a little round circle, yellow. So you're on your channel, and then you hit Manage Videos. The next scene you see is this page. And up there you see Playlists on the top. That's the playlist you want to click on. And here's what happens next. Okay, so as you can see, it says Channel Content. I'm now into my Manage Videos stage, and I see my playlists. My playlists are how-to tutorials at the top, and let's say the newest video uploads. That's where I wanted to upload something about Alabama, I forget. But anyway, when you highlight that, notice it's in gray highlighted. When you click on that, you will see 3 little dots to the right hand side. See where I drew the arrow? I'm being simplified on this because it's important that you don't miss a step. I missed a million steps. So here we go. And I'll use this myself when I have to go back and remember how to move a stinking lousy one video up to the top of, say, my newest videos. So you see the 3 little dots? Click on that. And when you open that 3 little dot click thing, you're going to see this screen highlighted. And it says Edit on YouTube. That was the key that I missed. Edit on YouTube. Ha! Who would have figured it? Anyway, be right back. This is just a quick interim picture of what I wanted to do. I wanted to move that Alabama one up to the top, and as you can see on the left hand side, when I opened up newest uploads, it's already up at the top. But let's go to the next step. Okay, so in this instance, when I pulled down a bunch of videos there, I highlighted one. Let's say you wanted to move this one here, finding a home in Monroe, North Carolina. Way off to the right of that, you'll see 3 more little dots. That's a key step because that's going to allow you to move the stuff up the top. So click on those 3 little dots, and here's what you'll see. Now see, when you clicked on those 3 little dots, you'll see this little thing that says click on Move to the Top. See the different things you can do over there? Well, one of them is Move to the Top. As soon as you click on that, it's moved to the top of your particular playlist that you wanted it to go to. Mine was the newest uploads. Now you don't have the choice to move it up in 1 or 2 at a time, and who would anyway? So I wanted to just move my newest video up to the top of that playlist. You can also feature it on, change your video. On my website, I have a winter song that I did. So you can move, you must know how to move that stuff around anyway. But the playlist thing drove me nuts. So there you go, you're all set. See you next time.